to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys some of my bag sets that I have been working on for the back to school collection. This is the first bag set that I did. This one is done for a pair of twins, they're boys, and so both bags are looking the same. So let's look at the bags. Up here where you have the flap, I actually use the snaps, the magnetic stamps, to close them. And I have a zipper compartment up here so they can put their little stuff in it. And it's on both. On the inside of the bag, you also have a zipper compartment at the back, and you have the same on both. Both of the back part of the bags, they are done with sponge and the bottom, so it helps to take the weight, and as well as the straps of the bag. Alright, so this one, the mother ordered the same color for the boys and the same color for her daughter, so she has a pair of twins boys, and then she has a girl. I tried to do a little something different with the pocket because it would just be the same, and hers is different because the boys, the pocket, the front pocket is kind of just run straight across, and then you just have this because the way how I did it, so it has a little outing, so it's not just flat down, so they have enough space to put their stuff in. Meanwhile, for the girl, I did a normal pocket, so she has a different style. I didn't want it to be the same in terms of everything on the bag looking just the same. I wanted hers to look a little bit different, but the mother wanted the same kind of colors for all three children. And I also gave her the metal hook, metal adjustable. For the girl, I did a little pouch so she can put her little personal stuff in, and I did hers on the inside in pink. And for the boys, I gave them a little pencil case so they can put their pencils and crayons and stuff like that inside. So that is their bag set. I'm going to show you guys another bag set that I did as well. Alright, so this order that I got was for a young lady. I do bags for her every year, and this time around she ordered two, but I couldn't decide on how to do the pink bag. I did this one first and I didn't really like it so much because of the quality of the material. I like working more with these types of material. This is done with microfiber. Well, actually this is velvet. This is just complete velvet. The first bag set was done with microfiber and printed velvet. So this is completely two different type of velvet. So you have the pocket, and once again I did kind of like the little push out thing with the pocket for this one. And I love this. This has a really nice little girly design. Pockets at the side. And again, all of the backpacks have sponge in the back, sponge in the straps, and on the bottom to take the weight off. On the inside of the bag, you have the zipper compartment as well. So all of the bags on the inside, you have a zipper compartment, so they can put their personal stuff if they want to hide them away. So that's it for this one, and this one comes with a pouch with the coordinating colors, and she will have this. I love the print that I put on the inside of this. She will have this to do whatever she wants to do, but just in case she doesn't like this set, I did another pink set. This is for the same little girl, but I just did two for her to choose. This one is completely in pink. So this one is, this is done with two different velvet as well. So this velvet is kind of like I don't even know what to say about it, but I love the feel of it. Of course, sponge in the back, sponge in the straps, sponge in the bottom, and I did the same style, only this one doesn't have the little designs on the pocket, but you have the little push out as well, so you have that extra space on the front pocket. And on the inside of the bag, she also has a zipper compartment as well. So either one of these bag set that she chooses, she's pretty much getting the same thing. And also she has a little pouch, because this set is all pink. Of course I did this one all pink, and this is for the same person that gave me the order. This is for another little girl, and I did purple. Let me see, you guys can see the print, so cute. And I did the same. I think these girls are like sisters or something like that, so I wanted to give them. And this one has the double zipper, so she can open on both sides, and she has her zipper compartment. Sponge in the back, sponge on the straps, and I love the way how I did the straps with the two different velvet. So the print that I use in here, this is actually an upholstery material, and then the rest of it is microfiber. So it closes on both ends. And then on the front section I did the same thing. So you have that little space going out, so she has more space to put her stuff in. And I did a similar design as the first one. So that's it. So let me show you guys another little bag set that I did. Alright, so this bag set I did for my nephew. He's 2 years old and he's going to school, and his mother ordered a bag set for him. So this is my nephew's little bag set. I wanted to give him a puffy pocket so he could put his stuff in there. I used the bigger slides, these big slides. He can manage these better. So he has his little pocket, he has his side pocket, and he has his little inside. He doesn't have a zipper compartment. He doesn't need it. He doesn't even know what that is. He's too. And of course he has sponge in his strap, sponge in the back and the bottom of his bag. This is his lunch bag, and of course I use the coordinating colors. So right here he has a little zipper. I don't know what he's gonna put in here. And then on the inside of his lunch bag he has enough space. And this lunch bag is done with sponge. It has, I put buckram in it to make it keep the stiffness, and of course I use the insulator. So this is his lunch bag and his little bag. I'm gonna put it on actually. He's so small. Okay guys, so that was my little bag set review. I actually did these as a part of my back to school collection, so make sure you guys tune in to see the other videos that I will be posting, and they will all be about my back to school collection. And I'll see you guys on the next video. Bye guys.